Here we are at ATEC with the latest TDK EFG-03 E-Field Generator for low frequency E-Field generation to get 200 volts per meter. To just cover the setup, it's not too clear in the manual, but how you connect this thing up with the provided cables. You're connecting one side of the E-Field generator here to the input from the amp, essentially connects right here. At the same time, you're going to be connecting the loads that are part of the antenna right down here with the other given cable up and to the other side of the E-Field generator here. And there's also extra cable provided in case you are changing orientations of this antenna to go from, right now we're in a vertical polarization, but we can rotate it to do a horizontal polarization. And we can also raise it on the mast and lower it. And we'll look here in a second to see us generating 200 volts per meter at 20 meg using this nice amplifier amp. And we have all of our power sensors and our dual directional coupler with our power meter here, and we're driving it with this SIG-gen. All right, so we're gonna run the EFG-03 up to 200 volts per meter for demo purposes. Right now we're not in an ideal environment for doing E-Field generation, but for demo purposes, we'll see with our Narda Fieldman the field levels that we can get, in this lab setting. Probably preferable to be in a anechoic chamber type setting. So here we are at 200 volts per meter, and we'll see how much we're driving the amp. And right now it looks like we're pushing 300 watts to achieve that. To push the antenna forward, you have to loosen these 4 brackets right here to slide it. To raise the masts, loosen these right here to go up and down, and then last thing you can do is tilt, which I'm not gonna move right now, but to tilt it to a more downward angle, you can loosen this right here. And also your grounding bar. If you're in a chamber with a ground plane, you'd flip this upside down and it'd sit right on the ground. All right, that's it for looking at the EFG-03. If you ever need to do 200 volts per meter at very low frequencies, using an antenna isn't that ideal. So we have these E-Field generators now, like that can help you accomplish this. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at atecorp.com, and don't forget to subscribe.